In this video, we will learn how to accept payments on card readers. First, locate the invoice by going to the appointment and then the POS button. Click the pay button on the right, and now we will select the payment method and change the charge now amount. Here we're going to charge the client $1, and we have selected card reader. Next, we're going to select the device, and now we have a new options available like saving card on file. We're going to continue and send the transaction to the device. It has connected to the reader, and now the client is reviewing the amount. They have confirmed the amount, and now they will do the tips. They have selected the tips, and now they will pay. After this payment was successful, they can select receipt delivery. Then the client can enter a different email address to send the receipt to. Now we can also send the receipt invoice by selecting the share invoice receipt or even the payment receipt that shows the successful transaction payment. Please contact us at support@yocale.com or use the chat symbol for more help.